Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into two of the most popular mini dishwashers on the market. The Gudsunal Portable Countertop Dishwasher and the Midea MDC22P1ABB. Both of these dishwashers are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them ideal for small kitchens, RVs, and apartments. Today, we will compare them based on their wash cycles, energy efficiency, and additional features to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. The Gudsunal Portable Countertop Dishwasher offers 6 different washing programs, including Intense, Eco, Normal, Rapid, Glass, and Fruit. This variety caters to different cleaning needs, especially for delicate items and quick washes. In contrast, the Midea MDC22P1ABB boasts 8 washing programs, which include Heavy, Normal, Baby Care, ECO, Glass, Speed, Mini Party, and Rinse. The additional programs provide more versatility, especially for families with specific cleaning requirements. When it comes to energy efficiency, the Gudsunal dishwasher consumes 170 kilowatt-hours per year, while the Midea model is slightly more efficient at 155 kilowatt-hours per year. Both dishwashers are designed to minimize energy use, but if energy savings are a top priority for you, the Midea MDC22P1ABB has a slight edge. The Gudsunal dishwasher features a unique preserve function that helps keep your dishes fresh after washing, which is particularly useful for those who may not use their dishes immediately. On the other hand, the Midea MDC22P1ABB includes a baby care program specifically designed to sanitize baby items, ensuring they are safe for your little ones. Each model offers distinct advantages depending on your lifestyle and needs. In conclusion, both the Gudsunal Portable Countertop Dishwasher and the Midea MDC22P1ABB offer great features for small living spaces. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs, whether it's the variety of wash cycles, energy efficiency, or unique functions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.